I missed the marginal risk event for my area. Why? Because I was asleep. It was just 2 severe thunderstorm warnings, no tornado warning. Okay, I would have just simply copy pasted this over onto Vocalware, but I already did that. But I already have like an entire text product and just right over here, so and what I'm doing is trying to get it to sound like the way it does on NOAA Weather Radio. By doing this, I may not get it exactly like the way it sounds on NOAA Weather Radio. That's why I'm planning on getting voice text soon.
South Central Texas.
Went over here and set the project rate to 8 kilohertz and added some pink noise on the bottom. It is called Luxie Mono Bold. And it looks very similar to Lucida typewriter. That's the font I use for the DAS text screen. And by the way, I changed the pronunciation for severe because some WFOs like Indianapolis, Fort Worth, and Corpus Christi are the 3 that I know of that changed the pronunciation. And this one is of the office of Corpus Christi. I did not miss one, I missed 2 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. Alright y'all, I made the second SVR, and let's play both of them back.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Webb County in south central Texas, southwestern La Salle County in south central Texas, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:28 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Artesia Wells, or 10 miles south of Cotulla, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Artesia Wells. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Webb County in south central Texas, south central La Salle County in south central Texas, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Fort Ewell site, or 13 miles east of Encinal, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ranquitos, Las Lomas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
That's right.
At 2:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 45 miles west of Ranchos Penitas West to 20 miles south of Chupadera Ranch Airport to 11 miles northwest of Columbia Bridge to Los Tindas to Boddings to near Ranquitos Las Lomas. Movement was south at 20 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Laredo, Rio Bravo, El Cenizo, Los Tindas, Laredo International Airport, Boddings, Unitec Industrial Park, Ranchos Penitas West, Columbia Bridge, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Laredo Community College, Orville and Ranquitos Las Lomas. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. The current time is 3:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK26, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from a transmitting antenna atop television station KVTV Channel 13 in Laredo. NOAA Weather Radio is on the air 24 hours a day broadcasting warnings, watches, and related statements for the Rio Grande Plains. A weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Tone Alert is normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, if no severe weather is in the area, for the following counties: Webb and Zapata. At 3:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 34 miles west of Columbia Bridge to 24 miles west of El Cenizo to Rio Bravo. Movement was south at 35 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Zapata, Lopino, Medina, Zapata High School, Zapata County Fire Department, Zapata Middle School, Fiesta Shores, Zapata County Public Library, Las Palmas, and Falcon Mesa. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. The Laredo Climate Summary for yesterday. Here are the 3 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Laredo, a thunderstorm was reported. Temperature 73 degrees, dew point 68, and the relative humidity 83%. Wind north at 23 miles an hour, gusting to 36. The pressure 29.91 inches and rising. Across the state, at Zapata, it was mostly cloudy. Visibility 7 miles. And the pressure was 29.85 inches and rising. Carrizo Springs, thunder, 73 degrees. Eagle Pass, mostly cloudy, 79 degrees. The report from Heberville was not available. McAllen, cloudy, 82 degrees. Catula, cloudy, 74 degrees. Del Rio, clear, 79 degrees. San Antonio, mostly cloudy, 82 degrees. Corpus Christi, mostly cloudy, 78 degrees. The forecast for the Laredo area. Rest of tonight.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The current time is 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Here are the 10 a.m. South Texas winds. There is no severe weather in the area at this time.
They issued another one?
The forecast for the Laredo area. Rest of today, mostly test. There is no severe weather in the area at this
They're doing a
time.
message repeat.
Here are the 11 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Laredo, mostly...